By the time action man Dieter arrived on screen, he'd already won a Mr. South Africa title, finished in the top 7 of Mr. World, earned a bachelor's degree in education, and appeared in commercials and on many magazine covers. But could he translate all of that to the dynamic medium of television? You bet he could.
Good job, man.
Good to see you again, Aiden. Sure, I thought you were here to help me.
Yeah, a little bit of competition's good for you. It seems like you're following in Dr. Michael's footsteps.
Oh wow, that's an honor to be compared to him. Michael's been a role model of mine for, say, about 10 years. I met him taking part in my first competition ever, and he still signed his autograph, and that really inspired me.
He's built his own public profile with skin good enough to sell moisturizer and a body buff enough to sell health mags and calendars.
You've done really well out of your modeling career.
A friend once challenged me and said you must make a business out of every talent or interest. And I decided, well, modeling is definitely one of them. So I focused hard on it, and yeah, it's been a great experience.